Welcome to Computer Maintenance and Upkeep's video tutorial. This is a short video tutorial demonstrating the free program Auslogics Disk Defrag. As you use your computer, bits and pieces of your programs get moved around on the hard drive. This process is called fragmentation. Using a utility called a disk defragmenter will put those pieces of your programs back where they belong, so your computer can find them faster. This will increase your computer's operating speed. Windows already comes with the utility for defragmenting the hard drive, but it's slow compared to other defragmenters. Auslogics Disk Defrag, which I use on my own computer, is much faster and seems to me to do the job better. Also, in Windows Vista, the graphical interface was removed, so using Auslogics Disk Defrag lets me see what's going on while running the defrag process. You can download the program at www.auslogics.com. Installing the program is a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the steps on screen, and the program will be installed in less than a minute. Once the program is installed, you'll notice that the interface is pretty simple and easy to understand. In the Settings menu, on the Defragmentation tab, check the boxes next to the two options that are available. I always leave the CPU usage option at the normal setting. Restart the program if prompted. On the main program window, you'll see a drop-down box that lists the drives that can be defragmented. We'll start with the C drive, as this is where the majority of programs are installed, so defragmenting this drive will provide the best performance boost. Once you're ready to start, click Next, and the defragmentation process will begin. There is a graphical representation of the files on the hard drive, and they are color-coded to show their current state. The most important thing to notice here are the red and blue files. Red means they are fragmented. Blue means they are defragmented or optimized. You can watch as the program scans all your files, identifies the fragmented ones, and moves them to the right place on your hard drive. If you haven't defragmented your hard drive in a while, the first time you run this program, the process may take some time. If you get into the habit of defragmenting regularly, like once a week or so, you'll find that the process is quite a bit faster than the initial run-through. Once the defrag process is complete, you'll have a readout showing the number of scanned files, how many were fragmented, and how many the program was able to defrag, and what percentage of scanned files were fragmented. The lower the percentage, the better shape everything is in. Doing this on a regular basis is one thing you can do to help keep your computer running at top speed.